Many businesses depend on technology to operate efficiently, but managing IT systems can be overwhelming. That's where a managed service provider, or MSP, comes in. An MSP is a company that takes care of IT services like system maintenance, security, and support, helping businesses stay productive without the hassle of managing technology themselves. One key benefit of working with an MSP is proactive IT support. Instead of waiting for problems to occur, an MSP continuously monitors systems to catch and fix issues before they lead to downtime. This keeps operations running smoothly and reduces the risk of costly disruptions. Security is another major advantage. With cyber threats on the rise, businesses need strong protection to keep their data safe. An MSP provides advanced security measures, including firewalls, endpoint protection, and ongoing updates to defend against cyber attacks. Many also offer employee training to help prevent security risks from human error. Cost efficiency makes MSPs a smart choice as well. Hiring an in-house IT team can be expensive, but an MSP offers expert support at a predictable monthly cost. Businesses get access to enterprise-level IT services without the overhead of additional staff or expensive infrastructure. Beyond support and security, MSPs also help businesses stay up to date with the latest technology. Whether it's managing cloud solutions, handling software updates, or optimizing networks, an MSP ensures that businesses have the tools they need to stay competitive. A managed service provider helps businesses stay secure, efficient, and cost-effective. If you'd like to learn more about how an MSP can support your business, give our team a call. We're happy to help.